Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to show you how I made this jumbo milk bottle squishy out of paper. So first of all, I just drew out the rough shape that I wanted onto a white piece of paper using a pencil. I just did this first of all in pencil so that I could rub out any mistakes and then make it the size that I wanted without having to reuse other bits of paper. Once completely happy with the shape, I then moved on with a black permanent marker and I just drew in and coloured all the little kind of cowl splat print that I drew onto it, and I then went ahead and drew a black outline all the way around and I coloured in the little face down at the bottom. Now you can make your bottle any other colour that you want. I think it'll be really cool if you made like strawberry, so you could do it like a pink colour or maybe even blueberry milk and make it in a blue colour. And you'll just want to colour it in as much as you want to decorate it. I also coloured in the little screw top bit with the little lines in it to make it a bit different from the rest. And I also then just coloured in the eyes. Next I took a gold marker and just coloured in the bottle top, and I then cut the whole shape out. Once this shape was completely cut out, I then sellotaped it down to another A4 piece of paper. I did this until I went basically the whole way up of the bottle, and then what I did was cut the bottom bit out of the back piece of paper. Once this bit was removed, I then took some tape and just taped over so that the top bit and the back bit were completely sealed along the edge that we drew. I then went ahead and did this all the way around the bottle so that the back bit and the front bit were joined just by the sides. Once I got nearer to the top, I then just carried on doing the same thing as I did before, adding more tape, cutting around the edge, and then just sticking it down. Once I'd got right up to the little screw little lid, I then took some toy stuffing and just started stuffing away. I popped lots and lots of stuffing into this so that it was all really compact, and basically I just kept taping all the way up to the top, then adding more stuffing, taping, adding more stuffing, just so that it was easier kind of when I got to the top of more narrow bits, if that makes any sense. Once completely done at the top, I then just taped these bits down, and they were kind of flat, but I couldn't get it to kind of go any more puffy, if that makes any sense, because the pieces were quite small. So I just completely covered these with sellotape to make it match the rest, and yeah, it just worked out fine. Once the tape was fully complete on the top part of the bottle, my squishy was then complete. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's subscribed over the past couple of days. I've noticed a lot more subscribers come over to my channel, and especially with your love with my last paper squishy. This isn't something that I would have tried without your requests, so yeah, I'm really grateful for that. If you have any requests for future squishies, please leave them down below. Memory foam or paper, whatever type ones you want to see, and I'll respond. So yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!